In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send WPForms data to Google Sheets. If you want your form submissions to automatically appear inside a spreadsheet, this setup is a great way to save time and keep your entries organized. We'll go through the full connection process inside WordPress and then link a specific form to Google Sheets so new submissions can be sent over automatically. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, open WPForms and go to the add-ons area. Here, search for the Google Sheets add-on. When you find it, click Install Add-on and then make sure the add-on is activated. This part is important because the integration options won't appear until the add-on is both installed and turned on. Next, head to WPForms Settings and open the Integrations tab. In the list of available integrations, find Google Sheets and click Continue with Google. This will begin the authorization process that allows WPForms to communicate with your Google account securely. Now sign into your Google account and grant the permissions requested. These permissions are what allow WPForms to access and update spreadsheets in your Google Drive. After you approve the connection, Google will provide an authorization code. Copy that code, return to WPForms, paste it into the appropriate field, and click Connect. Once everything is successful, the status should show as connected. That confirmation lets you know the integration is ready to use. With the account connected, go to WPForms All Forms and open the specific form you want to link to Google Sheets. Inside the form builder, navigate to Settings and then Google Sheets. This is where you'll create the connection for that individual form. Click Add New Connection and give it a nickname. The nickname is just for internal reference, so choose something clear that helps you remember which spreadsheet this form is connected to. After that, choose whether you want to create a new spreadsheet or connect to an existing spreadsheet from your Google Drive. If you're starting fresh, creating a new spreadsheet can be the simplest option. If you already have a reporting sheet set up, selecting an existing one may fit better into your workflow. Finally, map your form fields to the spreadsheet columns and save your settings. This step tells WPForms exactly where each piece of form data should go, such as names, email fields, message fields, or any custom inputs in your form. Make sure the column order and field mapping are correct before saving, so your submissions stay clean and easy to read. Once that's done, your WPForms data will be ready to flow into Google Sheets automatically.